She in the building. You know what time is it? It's the time, fam. If you are new, welcome to the family. If you're always with me, I love you, I respect you, I wrong with you. Guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. Guys, today I decided to do a quick vlog. I'm inviting you guys to in my space to come and spend a day with me. It's not something hectic, guys. I'm just gonna be doing everything that a woman has to do. Ain't you understand? The observation. At least I have to give it a name. So guys, I hope you guys gonna enjoy this. Cause niyabona nasebhek imin inde kunontombi inde usuku lubi. So guys, don't judge me. Cause in this channel we don't judge, child. We don't judge. So guys, let's go. In the bushes. I can't believe. I just can't believe.
Awesome. Awesome.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sad and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can. Hey, when I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wondered if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone. Talking about my bed as like it ever mattered. You threw it away, and now you're looking back, wishing that we got buried. Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wondered if you still feel the way I feel. When somebody calls you mine, are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone.
Where's your father?
Huh?
Ah, gosh, I'm just ngiyahlukunyezwa mina. Ah, we're done now. We're done. Susut. Huh? Susut. Oh, pakile bazisa yakho. Oh, okay. Okay. We see you. We see you. Okay. Athanga upheke nje lawo nani me. Ha. Jesus. Ay. Ooh, child. This is how I cook her noodles. Oh, my camera, guys. There we go. And then
Shy.
When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wondered if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone. Talking about my bad as like it ever mattered. You threw it away, and now you're looking back, wishing that we got buried. Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wondered if you still feel the way I feel. When somebody calls you mine, are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new.
guys, it's a very long day for me. Oh, good Lord. Oh, I'm exhausted. Guys, let me just quickly eat here and then we'll do a little bit chit chat.
Guaranteed protection for 72 hours. Try new advanced treatment available for both
That's how you
women
do
and
it.
men. 72 hours protection means she works harder and
Try it, look. One second now. Try it. Try it. Try again. Guys, I am so tired. It's been a long day, I am telling you. Right now, I'm just chilling and having a moment of myself, a moment of silence. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending a day with me on this vlog, and thank you for appending it and watching it up until the end. I really appreciate you guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with many as many as you can. And thank you guys so much for the love and support. I guess I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. I'm leaving you with love, obviously. Kisses, hugs, with lots of love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.